Hello, this is Jacqueline with JNM Reviews, and today I am just so happy to review this sample provided by Meissa. So this is just gorgeous. This is how it looks. So it's a package of two rings, a moon star, and the two stars. The set is handmade. They're stackable, as you can see it here. Mine are color rose gold. This is a size 7, but also just keep in mind that this is readjustable. You can readjust it, and it's 925 silver, and it looks so beautiful. This is perfect for a birthday gift, for a Mother's Day gift, for yourself. um, it has this package for you to store it, and since it's 925 silver, sterling silver, all you have to do is clean it. It won't rust, it won't make a mark on your skin, and it looks so beautiful, it looks so pretty. Because it's readjustable, you can wear it in different fingers. I am just very excited. The moon and the stars are made of cubic zirconia. They also, besides the rose gold, they have the silver, they have the gold. So I hope you check it out. It's really pretty. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.